Goddamn, motherfucker left me. The motherfucker left me to do what shit on my own. You really that shit? What the fuck, bro? I'll kick this fucking ass. See? Man, fuck that guy. Let me bum my kick this mother. And he says he's from the Rancho. Motherfucker ain't from the Rancho. Motherfucker. I'm not fucking Steve. Where's my little sister? They just cut my shit off. Word about fucking cutting. Motherfucker think he's tough. Motherfucker gonna kill somebody. Can't even cut a finger. Bullshit. Cut my finger, fool. Motherfucker. Nigga, you didn't even do shit. Leaves me here to suffer. Never done it. Jeez. Didn't do shit. Nah, he hooked it up. I ain't gonna be mad. I'm gonna hook it up. I'm the baddest motherfucker alive. This motherfucker talking about, let me cut your finger. Nigga, cut my shit. Fucking scrape it. Yeah, that's me yelling over there. Ain't nobody can touch me, man. Nobody. What? Papa, nothing but to do it. Feel me? So we do it. After this, come back tomorrow, work hard again. That's it. Get this motherfucker out the way. Look at, I'm already feeling better. Hey. Hey! Yeah, that motherfucker. Oh no, primo! Urale! That nigga just dropped it up there. Stay tuned. Too bad I didn't have someone recording me working. Hey! Man, I put this motherfucker. Oh, I will build. Gotta go get my shit. You want me, but he needs you. But you're telling me that everything is cool. Stay tuned for the kneecap. I think what?